Hello everyone, I'm S. Archana Karunya from Department of Computer Science Engineering studying first year in VSB College of Engineering Technical Campus, Coimbatore. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are the two fields at the cutting edge of computer science and technology. AI refers to developing systems that usually require human intelligence such as visual perception, speech recognition, and decision making. The goal of AI is to develop systems that performs autonomously in real-world environment. Machine learning is a subset of AI that involves developing algorithms and statistical models that allows the computer systems to learn from the data without being explicitly programmed. As more data is fed into these algorithms, they improve their accuracy. One example of machine learning is computer vision, which involves training models to identify images and categorize the videos. By analyzing thousands or millions of sample images, the algorithm learns to recognize the patterns and features that differentiate the objects and scenes. This enables applications like facial recognition, self-driving cars, and image captioning. The rapid advancement in AI and machine learning enables the computer system to do complex tasks that once required human cognition, by beating the world champions in chess and Go, helping in medical diagnosis, and etc. As the capabilities of AI and machine learning system grows, the researchers aim to ensure that these technologies remain safe, ethical, and beneficial to humanity.